Magandang buhay! Halina't matuto kasama si Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Simulan na natin! Mathematics Grade 3, Term 1, Week 1, Day 4. Our topic for today is about find the area of a rectangle in square centimeters. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to find the area of a rectangle in square centimeters. Bring out your ruler. Locate a length of 1 centimeter in your ruler. Then, using your fingers, illustrate a length of 1 centimeter. Can you identify a part of your body that is about 1 centimeter long? Can you draw a square that has a length of 1 centimeter on its side? Our lesson for today is to find the area of a rectangle and square in square centimeter. Centimeter, centimeter. cm, cm. cm square, cm square. Square centimeter, square centimeter. Length, length. Width, width. Side, side. Area, area. Formula, formula. Rectangle, rectangle. Square, square. Unit of measure, unit of measure. 1 centimeter square, 1 centimeter square. Show a cutout of a square with length of 1 centimeter on its side and compare it with their drawing. How do you find the area of a square? To find the area of a square, multiply the length of its sides or use the formula A equals side times side or S times S. What is the area of the 1 centimeter square cutout if each side is 1 centimeter long? The area of the cutout is 1 square centimeter because 1 times 1 is 1. A equals S times S. A equals 1 times 1. Area equals 1 square centimeter. Find the area of each shape if its sides are measured in centimeter. Show how you got your answer. 1. A times 2 equals 16 square centimeters. Area equals 16 square centimeters. 2. 5 times 7 equals 35 square centimeters. Area equals 35 square centimeters. 3. 9 times 5 equals 45 square centimeters. Area equals 45 square centimeters. 4. 4 times 4 equals 16 square centimeters. Area equals 16 square centimeters. 5. 10 times 9 equals 90 square centimeters. Area equals 90 square centimeters. Let's try this. Get the area. Use the formula. 1. Count the squares. 7 columns times 5 rows equals 35. Area equals 35 square units. 2. Count the squares. 4 columns times 4 rows equals 16. Area equals 16 square units. 3. Count the units marked. Width 3 units. Height 3 units. Area 3 times 3 equals 9 units or 9 square units. 4. Count the units marked. Width 10 units. Height 9 units. Area 10 times 9 equals 90 square units. 5. Count the units marked. Length 8 units. Width 1 unit. Area equals 8 times 1 equals 7 square units. What do you notice about the rectangles or squares in numbers 1 and 2? Answer: there are 1 centimeter grids inside the rectangles. What is the area of the rectangle or square 1 and 2? Answer: 1. Area equals 35 square centimeters. 2. Area equals 16 square centimeters. How did you find the area of the rectangles or squares? Answer: for the rectangle, we multiplied the length by its width. For the square, we multiplied the length of its two sides. How did you know the length of the sides of the rectangles and squares? Answer: the side of each square inside the rectangle is 1 centimeters. The number of squares along the sides of the rectangle can tell the length of its sides. Is there a need to draw the squares inside the rectangles and squares? Answer: there is no need to draw the squares because the length of the rectangles can be determined by the tick marks. For letter B, the length, width, and area of the rectangles are as follows. 1. Area equals L times W equals 9 times 4 equals 36 square centimeters. 2. Area equals L times W equals 10 times 3 equals 30 square centimeters. 3. Area equals L times W equals 4 times 3 equals 12 square centimeters. How do you find the area of a rectangle? Answer: we can find the area of a rectangle by multiplying its length by its width or using the formula A equals L times W or area equals length times width. How do you find the area of a square? Answer: we can find the area of a square by multiplying the length of its sides or using the formula A equals S times S. What is the unit of measure for area if the length of sides of the rectangle or square is in centimeters? Answer: the unit of measure for the area of a rectangle or square is the length of sides is in centimeters, is square centimeters. What is the symbol for square centimeters? square centimeters.